Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear students, you must have with you class 6 English textbook. We are going to start our lesson from unit 3, The Mother Sparrow. SLOs of this lesson are: give main idea of the poem, give summary of the poem through gaped summary exercises, identify line and stanza. Before starting the poem, The Mother Sparrow, we will have a warm-up activity here. Lines and stanza. I hope you are familiar with the lines and stanza. Most poems are written in lines. Like the arrow indicates that this is a line here. Brave men who work while others sleep. A group of lines in a poem is called a stanza. A stanza separates ideas in a poem. Group of lines जो क्या होती है वो आपका stanza होती है, जैसे कि ये पूरा group of lines है, 4 lines है इसमें, और stanza क्या करता है, आइडिया को अलग करता है, डिफरेंट आइडियाज को एक ही लाइन एक ही stanza में अलग अलग लाइन्स में प्रेजेंट करता है. पेज नंबर 28 of your textbook. Let's read this beautiful poem about the mother sparrow. As you can see, the sparrow here, the blue color sparrow here, is a big one. She might be the mother of these 3 little sparrows. They are her babies, and their mouths are open. You can see they are what? Waiting for food. So their mother will bring them food. So let's start from here. Up to the sky flies a mother sparrow to roam and roam through forest narrow. Up to the sky flies a mother sparrow. In the sky, a mother sparrow flies to roam and roam. Roam and roam घूमने को कहते हैं, जगह जगह घूमती है. Through forest narrow, करीब करीब सारे जंगलों में ढूंढ कर अपने बच्चों के लिए खाना लाती है, घूमती है इधर उधर. The little ones at home she has to feed. उसके जो छोटे बच्चे हैं ये 3 उसका इंतजार कर रहे हैं. She has to feed them. They are waiting for her, so their mother can bring food for them. Day and night laboriously fulfills their need. Laboriously बहुत मेहनत करके दिन और रात उनके लिए क्या करती है, उनकी खाने की जरूरत को पूरा करती है, जंगल जंगल घूमकर. All alone she does this every day, not caring if there be no rain. All alone she does this way. These lines says कि वो अकेले सारा दिन ये करती है, not caring if there be no rain. और वो किसी चीज की परवाह नहीं करती कि रोशनी खत्म होने वाली है, शाम होने वाली है, उसको घर वापस जाना है. वो उसकी भी परवाह नहीं करती जब तक कि उसको अपने बच्चों के लिए खाना ना मिल जाए. She doesn't care about the rays of the sun, if it's gonna be dark soon or not. She doesn't care about it. She has to care about her children, that they are hungry and they are waiting for her, and she has to bring them food. Begs she never to anyone around, on her own all she has done and found. Begs, वो किसी से मांग कर नहीं खाती. On her own all she has done and found. All the things she has to done herself, and she has a pride in herself. She has a pride in herself. She do it by herself, and she loves it, and she loves to bring the food to her children. It satisfies her, the motherhood. Mother always do care about her children. And this beautiful poem is written by Ali Hasnain. Theme of the poem is: each day a sparrow mother goes out to hunt and search for food her little ones. She does not care if it's warm or cold weather. Sky is her home weather, where she lives most of time. She labors hard to arrange feed for the ones at homes. Makes nest. She does not expect from anyone to help her. She does everything on her own. Her effort, laborious routine will not stop until her little one grow up. So this is the main theme of the poem. This beautiful poem here about the mother sparrow. We have read about the mother sparrow in this little poem, how she do hard work to find the food for her children, and she doesn't beg from anyone. She has a pride in herself, she do it herself, and she loves it. She loves to bring food for her children, and she doesn't care about if there is no ray of the sun, if it's going to dark or not. There is one thing in her mind, that my little ones are waiting for me. There is no one to feed them. Only me is responsible. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस पोएम में हमने मदर स्पैरो के बारे में पढ़ा, किस तरह वो सारा दिन मेहनत करके अपने बच्चों के लिए खाना लेके जाती है, जंगल जंगल घूमती है, उनके लिए खाना इकट्ठा करके लेकर जाती है, क्योंकि उसे पता है कि उसके छोटे बच्चे इंतजार कर रहे हैं और उनके पास कोई नहीं है जो उनको खाना खिलाए, और ये उसी का काम है और उसी ने करना है, और वो सारा दिन बगैर थके अकेली ये काम करती है, और वो किसी का खाना नहीं चुराती, किसी से खाना नहीं लेती, बल्कि अपना खाना खुद ढूंढकर अपने बच्चों के लिए लेकर जाती है. Page number 29 of your textbook. You can find the meaning of the difficult words here in your word bank. This is the exercise of it. Let's do it. The first one is, who flies to the sky? Yes, of course, the mother sparrow. The second one, why does the mother sparrow roam around? Mother sparrow क्यों फिरती है सारी जगह, इधर उधर क्यों फिरती है, roam around क्यों फिरती है? Yes, you know about it. Why she roam? What does the mother sparrow do day and night? Mother sparrow दिन और रात क्या करती है? ये भी हमने अपनी पोएम में पढ़ा है. The fourth one, how does the mother sparrow fulfill the needs of her little ones? Mother sparrow अपनी बच्चों की खुराक की जरूरत कैसे पूरी करती है? The fifth one, did anyone help the mother sparrow? क्या कोई mother sparrow की हेल्प करता है? We have read about it in your poem, so you have to write the answer of it by yourself. The second one, choose the correct option from the following. The one is, up to the sky flies a what? A little sparrow, a daughter sparrow, a father sparrow, a mother sparrow. Yes, of course, this poem is about the mother sparrow. The right option will be mother sparrow. The second one, the little ones at home she has to lead, feed, bring up, or support. Yes, feed. She has to feed them. The third one, why does the sparrow mother fly and roam through the forest? In search of food, to get together with sparrows to make the little ones fly, to enjoy the flight. No, in search of food here for the little ones. Page number 30 of your textbook. This is your homework. You have to choose it yourself. Section C, gap summary, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the poem. We have read the poem, you have to fill these gaps. A mother sparrow, what? Above in the sky. What she does in the sky? Yes, flies. She moves through the valleys to feed her. Yes, we have read about the forests. To feed her at home, the little ones. Either it is day or what? Day or what? Yes, night. She fulfills the need of her little ones, children, in cold or what? Yes, hot weather. Garmi ho ya sardi ho. She persistently her struggle. She all alone in her depending no one. These two gaps you have to fill it by yourself. This is your task. The vocabulary here, rhyming words used in the poem. Rhyming words कौन से होते हैं जो आखिर में बिल्कुल एक से साउंड करें और एक जैसे साउंड से खत्म हो, जैसे कि स्पैरो, नैरो. अब साउंड क्या है? ये एरो और एरो दोनों का एक जैसा है, सिर्फ न और प का फर्क है यहाँ पर. तो ये क्या है? राइमिंग वर्ड्स हैं. फीड एंड नीड. ईड, the sound of eed is the same in both words, day and ray, around and found. The sound of a here and sound of ound here. Only the difference of one letter or two letter sound. Add two more rhyming words with each of the following. अब आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पर हमें वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, 8 वर्ड्स हैं। आपने ऐसे वर्ड लिखने हैं जो बिल्कुल ऑलमोस्ट सेम साउंड करते हो एट द एंड। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेट, कैट, मैन, मैन, लास्ट, blast. You can add your own rhyming words. It's a fun activity. You have to do it yourself. This is also your home task. Dear students, this is your home task for summer pack, page number 2. इस लेसन में जो हमने अभी पोइम पढ़ी है द मदर स्पैरो के बारे में, हाउ शी वर्क हार्ड फॉर देयर बेबीज टू सर्च फूड फॉर देम, तो हमने उसका सेंट्रल आइडिया लिखना है उस पोइम का। इधर सेंट्रल आइडिया क्या था कि स्पैरो वर्क्स हार्ड फॉर देयर बेबीज टू सर्च फूड फॉर देम, शी डजंट केयर अबाउट डे लाइट or the night time, anything. She roam here and there to search food for her babies so she can feed them or she can return to them with food. उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, पेज नंबर 3 पे राइट डाउन द समरी ऑफ दिस पोएम। आपने पूरी पोएम को क्या करना है, समराइज करना है इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, नॉट इन अ पोएटिक वे, नॉट इन अ पोएम फॉर्म। जिस तरह आपकी पोएम लिखी हुई थी स्टैंजास में, रिदम के साथ, राइमिंग स्कीम के साथ, आपने इस तरह नहीं लिखना है। अपने सिंपल वर्ड्स में, कुछ सेंटेंसेस में आपने पूरी पोएम को समराइज करना है, ठीक है। आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड माई लेसन। थैंक यू।